Yes, today I will discuss about the nature of lines. Yes, first one is this AB and CD lines are intersecting at this point O. This point O is known as intersecting point of these two lines. Intersecting lines. And then second type, AB and CD are equidistant from one and the another in any points, right? You have to consider these 2 points and these 2 points. In these 2 points, these are equidistant. It means these two lines AB and CD are parallel to each other, means parallel lines. And third type, AB and CD are merging one and the another. It means this CD line, it is merges on the AB line. AB and CD, these two lines are called as what? Coincident lines. Coincident lines. Okay. In example number 1, it is given. Example number 1. Let us take the example given in section 3.1. In the introductory part, it is given Akila goes to a fair with RS20 and wants to have rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Algebraically, in the sense you have to express that statement in the form of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. That algebraic expressions are equals to 0. Those are called as what? Algebraic equations. Okay. That process is known as what? The representation of the situations in the algebraic process, right? Okay. Yes, first one is the pair of equations formed is example number 1. You have to refer that introductory part. Y is equals to 1 upon 2x. Okay, you take this 2 into this side, it becomes 2y is equals to x. You take this 2y into this side, it becomes x minus 2y is equals to 0. Call it as equation number 1. And second one is 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. Second one is 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. Call it as equation number 2. This is according to the what the charge of that one ride, and one more it is given, that is here. Yes, that cost of hoopla game is 4 rupees, and charge of that one ride of that giant wheel is 3 rupees. Okay, according to that given information, that equation is 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. Okay, yes, this is the algebraic representation of the situations or statements, given statement. Okay, this is the algebraic representation. Algebraic representation. And graphical representation. Graphical representation is, yes, you take two equations. Yes, already you will know how to find the solutions of this equation and this equation, because you have learned about the finding of solutions of linear equation in two variables in the earlier class. Okay, first I will take equation number 1, x minus 2y. X minus 2y is equals to 0, right? Okay, and then you take y is equals to 1 divided by 2 into x. Okay, you have to prepare one tabular column here, x y x comma y, like this, right? You take here x equals to 0. Two solutions you have to find out. Two solutions only, enough. Two solutions are enough. X equal to 0 you will take. Yes, you have to put here y is equals to 1 divided by 2x. Put x equal to 0, y is equals to 1 divided by 2 into 0, y is equals to what? It becomes a 0. Okay, is here 0 comma 0, and then you take x is equals to 2. Put x is equals to 2. What will happen? Y is equals to 1 divided by 2 into x. Y is equals to 1 divided by 2 into 2. This 2 get cancelled. Y is equals to 1 it becomes, right? X equal to 2, y is equals to 1. The point is 2 comma 1. Okay, yes, this is about the what? Equation number 1. And then from second equation, yes, second equation is 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. Okay, you have to prepare one tabular column, x, y, x comma y, right? Like this. Okay, yes, that 3x plus 4y it is equals to 20, it is given here. First you have to do one thing. You have to express this given expression in the form of y or in the form of x. Already here in this case I expressed this given equation in the form of y, isn't it? Okay, here also you do same. 3x plus 4y equal to 20. You have to express this whole equation in the form of what? Y. Okay, yes, 4y keep it as it is. You take this plus 3x into this side, it gets negative 3x. Okay, yes, I am going to express this whole equation in the form of y. You take this 4 also this side. Okay, 20 minus 3x divided by what? 4. This is your equation, right? It is in the form of what? Y. Yes, then you have to prepare one tabular column here. Tabular column, x, y, x comma y, right? Okay, here you take x is equals to 0. X equal to 0. Yes, you take here that y is equals to 20 minus 3x divided by what? 4. Put x equals to what? 0. Right, y is equals to 20 minus 3 into 0. What I am going to put here in the place of x? Equals to 0, right? Divided by 4. Yes, 20 minus 3 into 0, it becomes a 0. 20 minus 0, it is 20 divided by 4. 4 on the 4 5 it is equals to what? 5. Y is equals to what? 5. Here you have to write y is equals to 5. The point is 0 comma 5. It is in the form of p of x comma y. Okay, and second one you take x equals to 4. Y is equals to what? 20 minus 3x divided by 4. Put x equals to 4. Only you have to find out 2 points. No need to find 3 points, right? Y is equals to 20 minus 3 into 4 divided by 4 is equals to 20 minus 3 4s are 12 divided by 4. Yes, 20 minus 12 in the sense 8 divided by 4. 4 on the 4 divisor, it is equals to 2. Here what I put here? X equals to 4, and then y is equals to what I got here? 2. The point is 4 comma 2. Now you got two solutions of the given equations. X minus 2y is equals to 0, and then 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. Okay, you are having two tabular columns. Yes, for according to the first equation, this is the first tabular column. According to the second equation, that second tabular column here. Okay, you are having two solutions of each. Okay, yes, according to the solutions, you have to draw the graph, right? Yes, this is the what graph here. this is y-axis, y dash, and this one it is what, x-axis, x dash. Yes, these two axes are intersecting at this point, that is point is known as what in origin point here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, enough here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, enough. Minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, right? Okay, this is our graphical structure, right? Okay, yes, you have to draw the straight line, that is draw the graph of this solution, that is what 0 comma 0. Yes, you have to point out here, this is 0 comma 0, and then 2 comma 1, this is 2, and this one it is 1. Okay, yes, you have to draw one straight line through these 2 points, you will get like this. Okay, this is equation number 1. X minus 2y is equals to 0, equation number 1 it is, right? And then you take one more, that equation, that tabular column 2. First point is 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5. Yes, this is the point, 0 comma 5, right? And this is 0 comma 0, and this one it is 2 comma 1. Okay, and then second point is 4 comma 2. Yes, this is 4, and this one it is what, 2, right? This point it will come here. Okay, yes, through these 2 points you draw one more line like this, right? These 2 lines are intersecting at this point. This is the exact point. Yes, this is the exact point. The exact point in the sense you have to take these 2 solutions, that is, this is the solution 1 here. Okay, it has 2 points, that is what, this is a 3, and this one it is what, 2, like this, that is 2 or 3, 3 comma 3. Okay, yes, it means you have to solve these 2 equations, that is x minus 2y and 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. You have to solve these 2 points, you will get one factor. Okay, that is the what, exact solution of these 2 equations. It is having only one solution, its meaning it is having only one solution, in the sense that 2 pair of lines are consistent in the sense they are intersecting at only one point. Okay, this is the meaning of what, intersecting points. Okay, yes, if it is possible by you, you have to practice example number 2, example number 3, and tomorrow I will discuss about these things. Okay, thank you.